advice number 21 issued by the Bureau of Meteorology in Brisbane at 8 minutes to 2. Cyclone warning continues for coastal areas from Townsville to Yeppoon and inland to Hughenden, including Charters, Towns and Claremont. The cyclone warning from Cabul to Townsville has now been cancelled. At 1 a.m, severe tropical cyclone Louis, Category 3, was estimated to be 130 kilometres northwest of Mackay and 235 kilometres east-southeast of Townsville. Apparently at 2 o'clock, the cyclone is estimated now to be 42 kilometres east of Bowen and 136 kilometres northwest of Mackay. The cyclone is currently crossing the coast near Airlie Beach as a severe tropical cyclone. The large eye of Louis is expected to continue inland, crossing Proserpine, Bowen and also Collinsville in the next hour or two. The cyclone is then expected to gradually weaken as it moves further inland later today. Very destructive wind gusts of 205 kilometres an hour are currently affecting the coastal and island communities between Ayr and Seaforth and will continue for the next few hours. Damaging winds are expected in areas between Townsville and Yeppoon over the next few hours and extending to adjacent inland parts during the day. Tides between Bowen and Mackay are currently near the highest tide of the year, with very rough seas and dangerous conditions along the foreshore. Heavy rainfall and flooding is likely to continue about coastal and adjacent inland areas between Bowen and St Lawrence, and of course the dangerous surf on the exposed coast as well. People in the path of the dangerous cyclone, tropical cyclone Louis, should stay calm and remain in secure shelter while the destructive winds develop over the next few hours. Do not venture out outside if you find yourself in the eye of the cyclone, as winds may remain light for up to an hour, and very destructive winds from a different direction could resume at any time. Of course, take notice and heed the advice of and the following instructions of police or state emergency service personnel, and people from Townsville to Yeppoon and inland to Hughenden, including Charters, Towns and Claremont, should have completed preparations to remain in secure shelter. Details of severe tropical cyclone Louis at 1 a.m, centre located near 20 degrees south and 148.9 degrees east. Location accuracy within 30 kilometres, and the recent movements towards the west at 30 kilometres per hour. Wind gusts near the centre of 205 kilometres per hour. It's a severe Category 3 with a central pressure of 965 hectopascals, and the next advice will be issued by the Bureau at 3 a.m. We're copping it pretty hard here around the Mackay area, and our thoughts are just going out to everybody around Airlie Beach, Prossie, and of course the Bowen area. Let's hope you stay nice and safe. And the phone number here, 4944 0060. If you'd like to give me a call, maybe you're in one of those areas, that number again, 4944 0060, 1026 4MK. Around Mackay on the West Sundays. We're right beside you. We're right with you through this. It's at 2 o'clock. Here's hot chocolate, and I'll put you together again.